Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Cardano ADA. So right now we are seeing a $2.77 price point on Cardano, actually seeing a 3.88% increase in just the last 24 hours. You know, this last 24 hours has been very, very volatile. We saw a nice decrease originally to get some good buy-in prices at about $2.60 on Cardano, and then a push right back to $2.77. I actually did make a video, by the way, on the top 5 coins to buy at this market dip, and hopefully you guys did take advantage. I believe that was earlier in the day, about 11 or 10 a.m.-ish that I made the video. So you're able to buy around that 260 mark, and now we're already at 277. So hopefully that did take place. Looking though through the last week, we can see massive increases across the board, about a 43.71% increase in just the last week for Cardano. And then we take a quick look at the last month, seeing a 124.56% increase in the last month. So the market cap right now at 87.6 billion, and the volume in the last 24 hours being right around that 8.6 billion. So a lot of reasons to really jump on board with Cardano right now. We're going to talk about all the upcoming dates, big things announced. We talked about, Japan actually listing Cardano on one of their exchanges. Very, very hard to actually get involved over there in Japan. So Cardano getting listed over there is definitely, like I said, a very, very big benefit today. I believe that was announced. And then we have, or not announced, but actually put out there. And today I do want to talk about really price predictions regarding the end of 2020, as well as the end of 2021, not 2020. We're not going back a year, but the end of 2021, as well as the end of the bull market part two. So a great increase, like I said, for this last year. If we take a look, we're obviously already hit our all-time high for this year already, or really the all-time high altogether. I'm pushing all the way to $2.97, August 22nd. I think there's definitely a good chance for us to break that before the end of all these great dates coming up. And we're going to talk about those here now. So first off, we have a couple of my tweets. If you guys aren't following me on Twitter, definitely follow me on Twitter, Crypto Profit YT. Trying to push my followers on Twitter a little bit higher up, obviously, to kind of coordinate with this 100K subscriber mark that we reached just today, actually. So thank you guys for the awesome support. I do want to say that I really do appreciate the awesome support you guys have been showing over all of these months, talking about crypto. Obviously, a great way to really stay together as a community, and also, like I said, keep everyone up to date with all the updates that have come to Cardano, as well as so many other altcoins across the channel. So we do see Cardano ADA announced 4 smart contracts to be released September 12th, 2021. Imagine where this brings us in 2022. So that's a big date, obviously going to be smart contracts, something a lot of people have been waiting for quite some time. If we jump over to the next tweet, we see Cardano never fails to impress. I'll see you guys at $3 Cardano. So I did say this August 19th. I think this is around $2.10 Cardano, and then obviously a massive push from there to $2.97. So might as well be that $3 mark. If we actually take a look, though, there is, like I said, more dates coming up. We had this September 25th through the 26th, 20 local meetup events, and they're going to be taking place in big cities across the globe. And I think this is going to be a big time for really Cardano to show off what they've been working on. Obviously, smart contracts going to be talked about quite a bit there, I would assume. And we see some big, highlights of projects working into that ecosystem. Here, we actually kind of see an announcement talking about one of those projects. So DC Spark is working on a new sidechain protocol, Milko Meta. So I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce this. If you guys want to try to help me out in the comment section, that would be great. But use Solidity contracts from Cardano ADA. Sidechain uses ADA, no special token required. And Nicholas DePrima, the world's top expert on Cardano sidechains, is leading the project. So this could be absolutely huge to, really push this Cardano ecosystem, continue to push, I guess, in that right direction. We have so many, really great projects already on that ecosystem. If we take a look at the next Cardano tweet, this one talks about great achievement to Confirm.io, AML platform integrated with the Cardano protocol. So this increases the institutional capabilities of Cardano, and the blockchain will also kind of help achieve mass adoption of ADA crypto in regulated markets with the use of AML CFT analytics. So I do think this is going to help, obviously, with institutional investors as well as retail investors. Seeing stuff like this is going to continue to push the hype. And I think, realistically, we are going to see this hype continue to push up and up and up, and buying, these high prices for Cardano is going to be more of a norm here in the upcoming weeks and months ahead, in my opinion. I do want to take a look at this next tweet. So this is a big one, a new blog post. We are pleased to announce an exciting new partnership between IOHK and the EBU Luxembourg to make education accessible for students in developing countries across Africa. So Plutus, Haskell, Cardano, ADA, definitely something to actually look into. We have a blog post right here. announcing that new strategic partnership between IOHK and the European Business University of Luxembourg. If we actually take a look through this, it talks about widening the reach of education in Africa. Obviously, these programs have been developed to meet the increasing demand for Haskell programmers and enable students to work on DeFi solutions, application programming, tokenization projects, and smart contract development. IOHK will actually be supporting the Plutus and Haskell offerings that EBU plans to deliver to students with the teaching and content material for the provision of these courses. EBU will promote the IOHK goal of bringing smart contract developer expertise to students and relevant stakeholders in the Africa and obviously other continents as well. So this is definitely a big deal, and it talks about how will the scholarship program work, how you can sign up, and how to look forward, forward with this huge partnership. Like I said, I do want to say, guys, this is another thing that they're going to be talking about during this Cardano Summit 2021, a huge meetup. Like I said, across the world, we're going to see 20 plus local meetup events, and I just expect big things to come with the upcoming weeks and months ahead of Cardano. I think we have such big things planned, such great things coming, and we may see a little bit of volatility and dips while we're going through these. Do remember, a lot of people love to buy the hype and then sell the news, but do remember also that there's so much news coming. Which news are they going to be selling? Are they going to be selling the smart contracts, and then it's going to pump right back up for the summit once big things are talked about there and big people are introduced to the Cardano ecosystem, seeing this accessibility coming to Africa and that affordable idea. Just big things coming. I think realistically, a lot of us are very excited and definitely holding on to our Cardano dearly as we get closer, like I said, to those big dates. I do want to take a look at Cardano and give it a quick refresh here, see where we're at right now. So we are at $2.76, definitely an increase from that $2.60 we were seeing earlier this morning. And I do think we are going to continue to see a bullish look in the market. We have a fairly decent push up from Bitcoin right now, above 48.6K. And we could actually take a look at Bitcoin. We actually dropped all the way almost below $47,000. So if we drop below $47,000, that would have been a massive decrease. Still fairly, large decrease there from 48.5 to 47, but a fairly nice recover back up to, like I said, 48.6, 48.8 range. It will be interesting to see what happens in the upcoming weeks, like I said, in months ahead. We will definitely, like I said, keep you up to date through all of it. So if you guys have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. I do want to talk, though, a little bit more about the Cardano price predictions for the end of the year and the end of the bull market part 2. So I've talked about these prices quite a bit. $3 to $5 is still my price prediction for the end of the year. That hasn't changed much at all. I've originally said $3 to $5 is going to be that price prediction, and we are still on pace, if not over pace, for $3 to $5 range. I think $3 is definitely going to happen. $5 is still a price target that I assume is definitely, like I said, possible. According to TA that I always do prior to these videos, $5 is well within range, well within reason. So that's going to be my realistic conservative price prediction. I will say also by the end of the bull market part 2, still pushing $7 to $10 is definitely within range. So that is going to be my price thoughts and price targets by the end of the year, as well as bull market part 2. So let me know in the comment section if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns really. But like I said, guys, it's looking pretty good. We're having a great recovery midday here, and we'll see what does continue to take place with Cardano as well as so many other altcoins across the space. Like I said, if you have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. I will say as well, for those of you who want, those pre-sale market coins, or, I talk about a lot of, ICOs, pre-sales, low market cap coins. If you guys want to, get into that nitty gritty, kind of deep dive into that, I do have a Patreon that I just set up for 100K subscriber mark, and I have limited spaces available for those of you who want those kind of details and news information. So definitely take a look there. It's in the description below. Thank you guys again. I'll see you in the next one.